Good morning, class. Today we will learn about negative sentence. How we will make negative sentence. Naturally, negative sentences are mainly built on the process of those things. Let's focus on the first one by adding words such as not, by adding words such as no, by adding words such as never, by adding words such as nothing, by adding words such as nobody. Are you clear, class? We have a plan for an example. The sentence are affirmation. And the statement are affirmation and we have to change into negative by adding not. For an example, I like apple. Now see, I like apple. So this is I I like apple. So this is the affirmation sentence. That means this is a statement and a positive sentence. When we change into negative, we just add I do not like apple. Clear, class? Now see, I do not like apple. I represent subject. Do is the helping verb. Not is the negative formation. Like is the main verb. So object is the apple. Clear? So according to this subject, I put the auxiliary do. Then after auxiliary I put not, then after not I put main verb like, then after main verb I put object. So this is the negative formation of sentence or negative statement. So now see, the structure is like this: subject plus helping verb plus not plus main verb plus object. So this is the sentence, this is the structure, the structural approach for forming, for building, for constructing a negative sentence. Clear, class? Today we will deal only the not all those things. Next class we will deal with no, never, nothing, nobody. But today we will deal with only not. How we put not in a sentence, then it is changed into negative one. Clear? Let's discuss more example. Suppose I play the piano. Now we change into negative form. How can we change? According to the subject, I also put I. Then I put negative form of the auxiliary do not. Now see, I do not. Then main verb play the piano. Now see the object piano. P-I-A-N-O. Full stop. Now see, so according to subject, I put do. Then contracted form or negative form not. So this statement is contracted like this. Don't. Clear? Are you clear, class? Let's discuss the another example. He rides the bicycle. So change into negative. How it is possible? He doesn't. He doesn't ride. He doesn't ride the bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L. Focused on the blackboard. Why are you irritating, Soumya? Please note down. He doesn't ride the bicycle. Let's see. According to the subject, we put the helping verb. It is the third person singular number he. That's why we put does. So it, he, she, like any method, third person singular number, we put s or es in the verb, auxiliary verb. Clear? Now class, are you ready to check yourself whether you are right or wrong to forming negative statement? Clear, class? Okay. Let's, the first one we have to discuss. I eat the rice. Now, Amya, you stand up and say, I eat rice. What is the negative sentence? Yes, Amya. Say loudly. Okay. I do not eat the rice. Good. Sit down. Okay. Sefali, you stand up and say, she sings a song. What? Say loudly, I can't hear. Okay. She doesn't sing a song. Good girl. Sit down. Yes, Pavitra. Now you stand up and say the third one. You hit the ball. Change into negative. What? You do not hit the ball. Good. Now, Murtunja, you stand up and say, we play the games. But we do not play the games. Clear? Now, Akansa, you stand up and say, they watch a movie. But they do not watch a movie. So, dear friends, this is all about the negative sentences, and we have put the sequence form subject plus helping verb plus not plus main verb plus object, then it is negative sentence. So next class we will deal with no, never, nothing, like this. So this is all about our negative sentence. I think you really enjoy a lot. Thanks a lot.